What's up, man? Brian Maxwell. I'm checking in here at Peacock Automotive out here in Hilton Head, South Carolina. And I just want to take a quick second just to come at you and talk a little bit. One of the things that we've been going over a lot with people is what is some of the things that we can do to help people assume ownership of a vehicle while we're taking them through the process. You know, a lot of people don't think about certain steps until after the so-called sale is done. But there's some other things that you can do that will really help that customer kind of embrace that vehicle selection more so as their own. Let's think about this. What do you think it would do if when you were showing somebody doing a presentation on the vehicle, if you took a quick moment and before you all left to go on the demo drive, you paired their phone up to the vehicle prior to taking them on the demonstration drive. So after you show them the exterior of the vehicle, you start off at the hood, you take them around the vehicle going counterclockwise, you end up on the passenger seat where you let them in. By all means, unless your dealership tells you to do otherwise, I highly suggest that as the sales professional that you drive off the lot first. There's a number of reasons for that. Number one, most of the accidents that happen on a lot sometimes happen when you allow customers to drive off and they're not covered and they're not insured. You are. Plus, they have no idea what the pre-planned route is. And if you don't have a pre-planned route, you should. Your pre-planned route should be all right turns, maybe 3 to 4 miles, allowing you to bring it back to the dealership. The reason why all right turns, it avoids you having to cut across traffic, and it helps minimize any potential risks or whatnot while you're showing them the vehicle. But after you show them the vehicle, you put them on the inside to let them know you're going to show them how the interior, talk to them about the interior, how the interior controls work. Now, while you're going through that, when you get to the radio, you say, hey, listen, let me see your phone. Let me show you just how easy it is to pair up your phone. Boom, boom, bam. Pair their phone up at that time. Ask them, what type of things do you like to listen to? You like to listen to music? You like to listen to audiobooks? What type of things do you typically listen to on your phone? That way we can hear how they sound when they come out through the system in the vehicle. Whatever they tell you that is, go ahead and get it set up. Put it on there. And right when you guys are getting ready to take off, turn it on. If it's some music that they like, turn it down lower, but have it on. If it's an audiobook, let them listen to it. Whatever it is that they would typically do, go ahead and pair that phone up to it. And if you're really skilled and you want to go to the next level, when it asks you to put in the name of the phone, put their name in it into the system so they can actually see their name across that system on that vehicle as you all are getting ready to ride, okay? This little extra step of instead of just waiting until you deliver the vehicle to pair up the phone, guess what? The work is already done. You got the phone already paired up. You can take them through and go over the owner's manual with them before they leave, but you've already got the phone paired up. Do you know that sales reps that have been utilizing this step have told me that on their surveys that they've been getting back from customers, their customers have said they have never had a sales rep pair their phone up to the vehicle prior to delivery. And that one step really showed them what type of level of service this individual was trying to give that person. Okay? So what we're going to be doing is over the next couple of weeks, I'm going to just be coming at you with little pointers, little tips, little things that you can utilize. And by all means, as a matter of fact, let me stop right here. I have no shame in my game to ask you, please hit that like button. Hit that share button. We can share all types of drama-filled information. Let's start sharing tips and strategies and stuff to help people in our industry perform better. Let's change the paradigm of the customers coming into the store to show them buying a vehicle shouldn't be painful. Matter of fact, it should be painless. But we're the ones that dictate and determine how that's going to go by being customer focused. So hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell, turn on those notifications, and let's share this information. But these people really feel that this person really went above and beyond where they had to be to show them just how A, customer focused they are, B, they help this person assume ownership. Think about it. They're playing what they like through the system. They see their name or their phone, the name on their phone programmed into the system. Okay? It helps you minimize an additional step at the end of having to pair up the phone. Unless there's somebody else that's going to be driving the vehicle, who else's phone you have to pair up, by all means, you pair that up then when you deliver the vehicle. But you choose one person's phone to pair up to that system prior to you going on the demonstration drive. This has been working wonders with really separating one sales consultant from a sales professional, because everybody wants to deal with a professional. Everybody wants to deal with a specialist. Nobody wants to deal with a generalist. And so in order to separate yourself from the competition, you got to do what they're not willing to do. Remember this, no matter what brand you're selling, you're not the only dealership that's selling that brand, but what is it that helps a customer choose your store over any place else? It's your ability to help them feel important, help them feel appreciated, make them feel like they were the most important person in your world at that time. And if they're not, they should be. Okay, so what we're going to be talking about over the next couple of weeks is just little short clips and tips of things that you can do to help you separate yourself from the competition, help establish much better trust and rapport from your customers that's coming in, and to really help you increase your surveys that you will get after you deliver ownership of the vehicle. Remember, it's all about them. And if it's really all about them, you and I have to be willing to do everything we can to help them feel exceptional, help them feel special, and to help them realize you could have been at any other dealership in the world, but you're here with me. And since you made that decision to come here, I owe it to you to do my best, to give you my best. And that's what it is that I'm here to do. That should be the mentality. That should be the mind state. So as we enter into the middle of the month, no matter where your numbers are right now, don't give up. Keep pushing. I saw one guy last month who was at 4 vehicles with 4 days left in the month, finish off with 15. Why? Because instead of him getting negative, saying the month is halfway done, he said, listen, I still got half of the month left. And he went out there, he kicked ass and he took names. And I can go on and on and on with countless people that do that. But I've also seen other people who started off the month doing real good, thought that they had it made, and only end up selling 1 or 2 more vehicles with the second half of the month. So keep pushing. Every day is brand new. You sold 2 or 3 yesterday, that was yesterday. Yesterday is history, tomorrow is mystery. The gift to the power in you is the present. That's why it's called the present, because it's a gift. It's the now. So make sure that you take advantage of it. I'm Brian Maxwell out here in beautiful, well, you can't really see it. Let me go out here to the edge so y'all can check this out. These stores they have are just phenomenal out here with Peacock Automotive Group. Really is. I love coming out here. Check this out. Check out this showroom. Everything is just so state of the art, and I'm up here on the second level. Look at that. Beautiful out here, all right? But if you're somebody that's in automotive sales, you may be new, you may be struggling, by all means, click the link in the description, check out the free online training that I have available called How to Dominate at the Dealership, okay? It really takes you through the A to Z. A, the mind frame you have to be successful, the steps and the road to the sale that it takes to help you take somebody through the process, okay? Take them all the way through to make it easy for them to do business with you. That's what it's all about. Remember, people hate to be sold, but they love to buy. And nobody cares how much we know until they know how much we care. So in order for you to be able to increase your skill set, to increase your effectiveness, make sure you click the link in the description. Go check out the free online training. Make sure you watch it to the end, because I got some awesome things available for you that you can be able to download and start using immediately. Word tracks, audios, videos. If you like these videos and you've been learning from these short videos, just imagine what you'll get inside this Power Pack program that's available for you absolutely for free. So click the link in the description. And if you are in management or a general manager or owner of a dealership and you're looking for quality people or quality training, by all means, shoot me a message. Let me do for you what I do for many dealer groups, some of the biggest and the best all around the country. All right? Again, I'm Brian Maxwell. I have nothing but love for you. Okay? Until the next time, I look forward to seeing you at the dealership. I'm over and out, y'all. Take it easy.